of high technology developed by the researchers from Tenagra. A highly sophisticated process that uses a mist with great power of penetration in the hair fissures to transport and fix tiny particles of keratin molecules on the flaws of the hair fibers. Besides filling in the hair strands, fissures, and flaws, the nanokeratinization treatment restores the lost proteins, totally recuperating the damaged strands and giving back the manageability, softness, and shine of new and healthy hair. Now you'll learn how to obtain the best results from this revolutionary and innovative method. Wash hair thoroughly with an anti-residue shampoo so that all the fissures and oxidized ends are exposed. Do not use conditioner. Rinse thoroughly. Dry hair thoroughly. Part the hair in 4. Now you will apply the NANOKERATIN. Put 3 to 5 milliliters of keratin phase 2 WOM in the designated container. Place the container steadily over the injection nozzle. Loosen one of the parts of hair. Turn on the WOM generator of nanomolecules and use the diffusion brush on the hair from root to tip, slowly and softly until all of the hair is even. To avoid waste, turn the equipment off while you prepare the next part of hair. Repeat the movement during 3 to 5 minutes per part, depending on the quantity and length of hair. All this time, the keratin nanomolecules produced in a specific solvent by WOM system are transported by a very thin mist and penetrate in the hair's fissures. The nanomolecule equals 1/1000th of the original molecule. Keratin deposits are formed from this process in places where normal products wouldn't be able to reach. To improve keratin absorption, all water molecules that were deposited on hair must be removed. To remove the water molecules, use a straightening plate that has temperature control, because the plate cannot exceed 120 degrees Celsius. You can also use a curling iron. The permanent strengthening plate is not recommended due to excess heat. Repeat this procedure until all the hair has undergone the evaporation process. Prior to applying finishing product phase 3 WOM, check if you are using the correct container required for this stage. The brush should also be used only for this phase. Once again, part the hair into 4 sections. Place 3 to 5 milliliters of finishing product in mist spray bottle. Repeat the same process as before, using a diffuser blow dryer working from root to tip of the hair. Slowly and gently. In this stage, the amount of mist is much greater. 3 to 5 minutes per section are required to assure effectiveness of process. During this process, the WOM mist deposits a substance to facilitate the filling and permanent absorption of keratin into the hair structure. The new molecule created by the polymerization is flexible and insoluble, increasing the flexibility of strands of hair in up to 80% in the first application alone. After each section has undergone treatment, the effect of nanotechnology on the hair is already clearly visible and may also be felt. Tenagra